The sports and gadgets represents to your attention the new T4E HDP 50 compact .50 caliber pepper round airgun by Umarex. The main purpose of HDP 50 compact is to help you in being prepared to protect your family, your property, and your life. The hinged trigger guard secures 4 rounds of .50 caliber pepper, dust or rubber ammo in the hidden integrated magazine that are launched by the single 8-gram CO2 cartridge stored in the grip. Also there's a trigger safety and quick piercing screw bump guard for added safety.